Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to the channel. This is for Shimmers Paints, and just remember to use my name in the comments of the section of your order, and then you get a freebie to try. And this is a scrap lift that I am going to use for inspiration. It is from Secrets and Creations, and I'll link it down below. So there are 3 different products that I am going to use on this collection, or on this layout. And it's a Vibes, which is Before Dawn, Shimmers Winter Mist, and then Bling's Hi-Ho Silver. There are a couple of these that came out in like color kit collections that I have purchased as well to help, because I love the colors and everything. So when I link down below, I'll link down directly to the ones that I know for sure you can get singly. And if the color kits or any of that sort or the bundles that I got these from are available, I'll link them as well. So what I did is here, I took out the marshmallow paper and I didn't gesso at all. What? Nope, didn't gesso. The marshmallow paper is so thick that it's not going to bend or anything because of how thick the actual paper it is itself. So I took the brayer and I just braid over the areas that I wanted to do, and I can tell she used the paper or like the packaging technique on hers with a bunch of splattering. And I decided to kind of do the brayer look instead and do that diagonal way along with having a shelf so that where my photos are sticking out that they are going to work. And so I thought I hit the start button because I had to stop for a second. I thought I hit the start button, didn't. So I kind of put on a couple of papers, added the top and the bottom piece to what this collection or the scrap lift was, and then realized I forgot to turn it on. Thank God I at least thought I turned it on, because otherwise you would have not had the video of this process. Oh, good golly. And while apparently I thought I was filming, I did add the Bling's Hi-Ho Silver, which was a just a splatter of it on there to add that little bit of bluish grayish tones that I wanted. So I am using the collection Smitten from Close to My Heart, along with one other collection, the sticker pad to them, because this is my husband's 41st birthday. The 42nd birthday he was down range in Iraq or Kuwait, so I don't have that photo. Obviously he always has to like either stick his finger up my nose or give me some weird face or put his tongue in my ear. It doesn't matter at this point. I've gotten used to it. And if you follow my channel, or since I've been on the design team, you guys know I talk about how my husband does some crazy stuff. So there it is. It is what it is. So this is what he decided to do on his 41st birthday picture, is stick his finger up my nose. And he literally did stick his finger up my nose. Yep. So I am turning a Valentine's Day collection into a birthday collection. I decided I was going to start with heart or with the stars and hearts, and then took them out because it didn't look right. And I wish that the stamp set had some extra florals in it or some like greenery on it, but it doesn't. So I make it work with like the hearts and stuff of this collection. So on top, I used and put his birthday on there and the date of this picture essentially taken, which was his birthday. So that is on there, obviously. And I do get out, I do put in a title. You'll see how I do the title. And I'm just placing little things that make sense to like my husband's and my like funny relationship we have. We've been married for so long that it's like I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but to him and I, it's like we just we're like best friends, yet we're married, yet we're a couple. All of that, it's kind of like mixed into one, right? And so it's so that's what I kind of like tried to pull in, those me plus you, even though it's his birthday, because ultimately I got to celebrate it with him. Because he is my husband. So, that kind of, it's kind of like those kind of things that I added. Kind of that pun style, but yet still having fun with it. So, it's hashtag chapter 41 here. I had to move it over. I thought I gave it enough room, and apparently I didn't. So, you'll see me move that over. And then, I come in with my title, that's my title, and then I do come in with my black pen, and I do the outline of both the blue and the white, as you see here. And then I do come in with the black splatters, which is the Vibes, the black Before Dawn. So I will tell you that the layout and everything, the still shots are coming up, but due to the weather and the good old weather that we have in the state of Georgia right now, it's been kind of crazy and kind of like odd color. So the white, as much as I tried to like fix it, one of the still shots came out a little yellowish, so I'm sorry about that when you see it. But this is it. Make sure you go check out everything down below. Make sure that you put my name in the comments. You will definitely get a freebie. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. And check out my layout next time. And I will talk to you soon. Y'all stay safe. Bye.